The Ministry of Education has been leading the charge to equip Jamaica's children with the tools for online and distance learning in this new age of teaching during a global pandemic. The call has been made for individuals and private entities to support this mission, and in Salt Springs, St. James, one community outreach group recently answered the call.
So this No Student Left Behind initiative was born out of the fact that, COVID came, and then a lot of children were getting left behind because they did not have devices. To date, we have distributed about 16 devices. So we're looking at about $2,000. What is SCOPE? We are the Salt Spring Community Outreach Program for Empowerment. It is made up of individuals who are from the community of Salt Spring, may have lived in Salt Spring, migrated. So we have a large number of our members in the diaspora. The idea was conceptualized at the end of 2018. So we're roughly about 2 years old now. Our mantra is community capacity building, one family at a time. So it is our aim to help improve the lives of the community of Salt Spring, and even by extension, Flower Hill, because they are neighbors. And we have different projects running in the community. Whatever we're doing, we try to preserve people's dignity.
It's a good thing for the needy students to get a tablet at this time, because they're doing online and most of them have to use 3-4 of them have to have one phone using, and we really appreciate this.
I got a Samsung laptop, and I'm actually quite happy because I realized that I've been having a lot of troubles as it relates to doing my SBAs, as I am in 11th grade and I am preparing for my CSEC examination.
I received that tablet, and I think that this tablet, I really appreciate it because I was having challenges during my schoolwork because I had to use my grandmother's phone, and sometimes she would want it, or sometimes she has to go somewhere and carry it. So sometimes I can't complete my work, and I don't want my grades to fall because I want to pass to a good school and I want to be successful in life.